So today we are going to explain about the paper called from explorations to mastery, enabling LLMs to master tools by self-driven interactions. So there is problems when LLMs try to interact with the uh, tools. So the problem faced is the tools doesn't have the good quality of documentations. Some lot of times the documentation is incomplete documentation or redundant documentations or inaccurate documentations. So these kind of problems happen. So because of these kind of problems, this paper come up with the solutions to use LLM itself to make to accurate those documentations of the papers. And they have proposed a framework called draft, uh, aimed at dynamically refining tool documentation through analysis, feedback, trials, estimate, emanating from LLM's interaction with external tools. So we are going to discuss more on this. So how uh, let's talk about the methods now, how that method is working. So they works on basically three way. First the explorer, and then experience gathering, that is learning from the experience, and rewriting. The explorer explore all the documentations with some institutions, and then they share the experience, and from the experience the documents rewriting is done through LLM only. And then that diversity promoting exploration strategy and tool adaptive terminations mechanism is done. What is found here is this LLM is found, this experiment is performed across ChatGPT 4 mini and Llama open source Llama 370 billion and ChatGPT 4.0 as well. So what we found, using this draft, they perform better in across CP percentage and win percentage across different benchmarks. So rest bench, TMDB, rest bench, Spotify, and tool bench as well. So you can see the performance is better across these all uh, using this draft frameworks. So across these different tools we have used this paper has used ChatGPT API for this, and also open source Llama to show the outputs. And in human feedback also, this performs better. So in human evaluations, comparing the quality of the raw documentations with the data, so we can see this draft frameworks in human feedback is done in three ways: completeness, conciseness, and accuracy. So we can see in completeness it is 40% complete. The human feedbacks is done by different well-educated doctors and students to evaluate this. And across completeness, conciseness, and accuracies, so what they have found is these are the outputs they have get. So these are the outputs which shows this has improved across human frameworks. So this paper, finally uh, this paper from explorations to mastery, enabling LLMs to master tools by self-driven interactions, basically says the LLM itself, while trying to explore the tools, find the documentation very vague. So to write the documentations for understanding the LLM, the LLM performs better to write the documents itself by the three methods that has been given, and it has been experimented across different benchmarks using the different LLM, chat GPT, and open source as well. Thank you.